Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a good day to everyone. My name is Nura Shafika and I am from Level 2 College Jenis Insan. I am one of the presenters for the research titled Multiple Intelligence Profile among College Jenis Insan's Foundation 1 students, which we'll be presenting to you in a short minute.
Hello, my name is Siti Adilah and I am your second presenter.
And I am Nadia Farhana, your third presenter.
Did you know that the theory of multiple intelligence was first proposed by Howard Gardner in his 1983 book Frames of Mind, where he broadens the definition of intelligence and outlines several distinct types of intellectual competencies?
Intelligence, according to Gardner, is defined as biopsychological potential to process information that can be activated in a cultural setting to solve problems or create products that are of value in a culture. Meanwhile, the definition of multiple intelligence is learning abilities and preferences that can grow or weaken depending on what is nurtured.
There are biological and cultural bases for multiple intelligence. The theory states that intelligence, of which are linguistic intelligence, logical mathematical intelligence, spatial intelligence, kinesthetic intelligence, musical intelligence, interpersonal intelligence, intrapersonal intelligence, naturalist intelligence, moral intelligence, and spiritual intelligence are all needed to productively function in society. This research is done quantitatively to identify the profile of multiple intelligence among College Jenis Insan's Foundation 1 students. Another objective of this research is to compare the level of all types of intelligence among the students.
As many as 97 students were asked to answer CHEPNIS 2010 Multiple Intelligence Inventory based on Self-Assessment Scale in Armstrong's 2009 Multiple Intelligence in the Classroom book.
The collected data was then analyzed using SPSS software version 26 in order to identify which intelligence areas are which students have higher scores. Total scores were calculated for each intelligence area. The reason why Foundation 1 students are the ones being chosen for this research is to identify the potential differences in distributions of the intelligence.
The outcome of the research showed that among the 97 students, spiritual intelligence had the highest percentage, which was 12%, followed by logical mathematical intelligence and moral intelligence, which were 11%. Subsequently, intrapersonal intelligence, interpersonal intelligence, naturalistic intelligence, and kinesthetic intelligence all at 10%. Verbal linguistic intelligence and music intelligence both were 9%. Spatial visual intelligence had the lowest percentage for multiple intelligence amongst the Foundation 1 students.
The slide you are all seeing right now is the results for the multiple intelligence for Foundation 1 students according to their classes. The reason why the data are narrowed down is to allow for a more accurate representation and interpretable model. If we are to stick by Gardner's definition of multiple intelligences, the data acquired can be utilized to help and improve studying experience and the overall competency of teaching and learning.
During individual lessons, students acquire skills in ways that work best for them. Understanding students from a multiple intelligence perspective helps teachers adhere to students' education. They acknowledge that students grasp elements, albeit in different ways. Learning will be more flexible and lessons will be reinforced better. It was proven that classrooms that take multiple intelligence into account are more beneficial than the standard classroom education provided to students.
Multiple intelligence theory does not view struggling students as less intelligent than prospering students. Instead, The theory fosters learning in areas where students struggle. For example, if students were caught lacking in mathematics, countless reasons need to be taken into consideration. Teachers might need to change the way they approach teaching the material and so on. Each student has an important role and equal value in a classroom where they are heavily involved in their and other students' educations. Just like a fully functioning society in real life, each student will collaborate and learn their skills as every student has a different level of intelligence to ensure their learning process goes smoothly.
As the conclusion, multiple intelligences theory states that everyone has all 8 intelligences at varying degrees of proficiencies.
Not only that, introducing a variety of activities and approaches to learning helps reach all students and motivates them to be able to think about subjects from various points of view, deepening their understanding of that topic.